You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Emperor of China. How do you say it? In Chinese, it goes along the line of Kangxi, Kangxi, but in English it is often referred to as Kangxi, Kangxi, or in Chinese, or a little closer, is as Kangxi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.